Hey guys, what's up? This is Caleb with Black Pearl Media, and in this video I'm just going to give you a closer look at my new G35 sedan. So if you haven't seen the last video I posted, I encourage you to go check it out. This is actually my brother-in-law's car who passed away from cancer recently, and I have possession of the vehicle now, and I'm going to be finishing the build. He just barely started it. He was able to enjoy it for a little while, but you know, we're gonna finish this up for him and do it right. Before we get into it, I do want to apologize for my voice. I am getting over a cold, so I'm a little nasally, so just bear with me on that. So to jump right into the car, it is a 2006 Infiniti G35 sedan. So it's got the full back seat, 3 seats back there, full leather interior, very nice condition, minus one little rip on the front driver's side seat. For power, it's got the VQ35 DE uprev engine mounted to the CD009 6-speed manual transmission, which is exactly what Daniel was looking for. We searched for this car with this spec for quite a while, and we finally found this one. It's currently rocking 135,000 miles on the clock, but it's running tip-top shape, not burning any oil, and I don't consider that to be too high a mileage for the VQ system. I mean, it's just rock solid. It'll go for a long time. For the wheel and tire package, it has the factory 18s on here, but Daniel upgraded from a 235 regular tire. He went 245s squared, and they're Achilles, so they're kind of like budget track tires, so nothing too crazy, but you know, they definitely get the job done. Not too much road noise on the ride up here. Did fine in the rain, so they should be good and hold up pretty well. This car is a silver metallic. The paint is pretty good, but there are some defects. After Daniel passed away, there was a lot of bird poop on the car, and it sat for a few months, and it really etched into the paint. So we're gonna see what options we have with that. It will eventually get a wrap, but I'm keeping the color a secret. Really excited to see how that comes out. We have a lot of steps to go through first before we even get there, but one of the paint change, the color change is something I'm really looking forward to. Overall, I'm very happy with the condition of this car. We looked for quite a while, and we found probably one of the cleaner ones that we could. No rust, no rot, and it's just overall in very good working mechanical order. So as you guys can see, it's pretty much a blank slate, which is really exciting. We can kind of take off from here and go whichever way we want to. I know exactly what Daniel wanted for this car, and I'm going to be incorporating that into this build. As a matter of fact, it's pretty much going to be bringing his wishes to fruition, and I can't wait to start working on that. If you guys like to support the build, like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate it. I want to see this channel grow and thrive in 2021 and continue on way past then. So we're going to be sticking around for quite a while, and this build is not going to be done overnight, but already getting a lot of love and support from you guys. So thank you so much for everybody who shot me a message after the last video. You know, offering condolences. I appreciate it. If you guys could do me one favor too, is just consider getting a blood test, getting checked out, just to make sure that you guys are good. There's nothing going on inside your own bodies that you need to take care of, because I don't want to lose you, your family doesn't want to lose you, and life is more fragile than you would think. I mean, this whole thing was a big wake-up call, but as for now, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the car, gonna go ahead, give it a wash, and I will see you guys on the next video.